If you're tired of stubborn dirt and grease around your home, this powerful steam cleaner might be exactly what you need. Designed with efficiency in mind, it comes with 21 different accessories that allow you to clean multiple surfaces including sofas, kitchen areas, bathroom tiles, grout lines, floors, and even windows. What makes this device stand out is its ability to clean using only high-temperature steam. That means no chemicals are required, making it a safer option for homes with kids and pets. It not only removes visible dirt but also helps eliminate bacteria and buildup that regular cleaning might miss. The included attachments make it easy to reach tight corners, edges, and difficult spots. Whether you're dealing with greasy kitchen stains or soap residue in the bathroom, this steam cleaner handles it with ease. Overall, it's a versatile and eco-friendly cleaning solution that can save time and effort while delivering professional-level results at home. If you're looking for a deep cleaning tool that works across multiple surfaces, this is definitely worth checking out.